Hey guys, you are watching another tutorial video here. You are with Trend Boy Analysis or Trendy from Currency Articles. I work for Currency Articles and I make tutorial videos and I also write blog posts too on the website. So today we are going to discuss the moving average, moving averages, exponential moving averages, simple moving averages, and trading strategies making use of moving averages. We are also going to have a look at the moving average rainbow, which I feel is something interesting. Not many people know about it, so stay tuned. Okay, there are three popular types of moving averages. There's the simple moving average, exponential moving average, and if I'm feeling trigger happy, I can always use a smooth moving average. Smooth. Okay, I'm not interested in the simple or smooth moving average as it does not correspond to my trading strategy personally. Of course, it all depends on your trading strategy, what type of moving average you use. But preferably I use the exponential moving average. Okay, so what we have today is a 13 period exponential moving average and a 50 period exponential moving average. 13 light blue, 50 in black. Okay, so the first thing we want to know is, or what every trader wants to know is, how do I buy or how do I sell in Forex trading? Most of you know, but then again, you always, looking to improve. So first of all, I have a theoretically speaking here, we first want to know exactly how it works. A faster moving average crosses above a lagging moving average. That is a buy signal. When a faster moving average crosses below a lagging moving average, that is a sell signal. Okay, so for example here I have a 13 period moving average which is faster than a 50 period moving average crossing below the 50 period moving average. Do you see that crossover there? Crosses below, and what happens next? A sell signal, a confirmed sell signal. That's a lot of money if you really held on to that trade. Okay, I also have another example here where the 13 period moving average crosses above the 50 period moving average as well. And what happened is a rally occurred. Okay, so I want you guys to pay attention to a few things here before you guys get false signals whenever you're trading. I have first of all a crossover here, and the first thing I want to see whenever I see a moving average crossover, I brought along with me the relative strength index, which is really going to help in today's lesson. So whenever the exponential moving average crossover occurs, the order size above 50, that is a confirmed buy signal. Okay, so there you have it. Crossover, RSI above 50, a rally occurs. RSI goes above 70. As you can see, it is time for us to close our trade and take our money home before what you see happens exactly. So that's how a buy signal is confirmed. And then a sell signal, we have a crossover, RSI is below 50. My 50 line is blue. Okay, 50 blue, below 50. As you can see, it's at 45. A sell signal is confirmed, and that's basically what happened. Okay, so for you guys who are trading with Easy Forex, if you want your RSI to look the way it looks, as you can see, we modify the style, make it a line there. So you click modify and select line for both. And of course you have to select solid for your levels, 70, 50, 30 levels. Okay, so that's how moving average strategy works when you're buying and selling in short. That's how moving averages work. But then let's look at another example because I want to explain something else to you guys like the moving average rainbow. Okay, one thing about moving averages is this. They act as mini support and resistance levels, meaning that price finds support at a moving average and a resistance too. Okay, so what happens here is we are looking for a bargain. Whenever you're trading, ask yourself, is this the right price? Am I getting the best? Because what you want to do when you're trading, like we as people were trading in the olden days, is we would trade something of no value to us to something of value to someone else. So basically what you're doing in Forex is you want to give something that's not of much value to you to someone else. For example, if you are buying the US dollar versus the Swiss franc does not matter to you. You want to buy the dollar because the dollar appreciates versus the Swiss franc. The Swiss franc in this instance is of no value. Okay, so you want to give it away, and because it's of no value, it has to be cheap. As you can see, why we use two moving averages like the 13 and 50 is because they are mini support and resistance levels. Meaning, as you can see here, that moving average, the 13, acted as a support level. Okay, it breaks above, price breaks above it, and then we have a support level. It breaks the support level, we look for another support level. Okay, because we have a crossover, we also need a support because moving averages do exactly that, support and resistances. So we buy at the 50 period moving average using this strategy here. It breaks your 13, you look to buy at the 15. Okay, if it fails to break the 13, you buy at the 13 period moving average. But this is to safeguard your trade. Okay, so let's say we buy it at the 50. If I bought this at the 50 level, I'm better off than someone who bought it at the 13 level moving average. The aim in trading is to buy low and sell high. Buy low, sell high. Okay, so if you bought it there, you didn't get the best price, although you are also correct. Okay, one last thing, guys, I want to show you is the moving average rainbow, crossover rainbow. Okay, basically a rainbow is what most scalpers use, but any trader can use this. Scalpers are afraid of losing money, so they look for faster moving average crossovers. So as we said, as we explained in the beginning, that a faster moving average will cross above a slower pitted moving average. So looking at this example, my fastest moving average is the 13, followed by the 20, and in last place, the 50 pitted moving average. Okay, so as you can see here, my 20 pitted moving average is in red, and the 13 is in light blue. So the 13 crosses above the 20. Okay, so you caught that move faster. Now, what you're waiting for is for the 13 to cross above the 50, okay, in a buy signal, and the 20 will follow up, crossing the 50 moving average in a buy signal, which is a very, very strong buy signal. And as you can see, it creates that rainbow over there, okay. The same with my sell signal. I have, if I wanted to close my trade, for example, you want to catch this move as soon as possible, okay. Let's say you've made a lot of money and you want to see this crossover, because when a crossover occurs, if I was buying, I should stop buying. Okay, if I was selling and I see a crossover to the upside, I should stop selling. Okay, so we have a 13 period moving average crossing below the 20. Okay, crosses below the 50, and then the 20 follows, which creates a very, very strong sell signal. So that's basically it. That's the moving average rainbow, the moving average crossover, and trading using moving averages as bargain prices. You want to focus on the future forecast prices for the support and resistances, as you can see there. That shows you where to buy and where to sell. So lastly, just closing off, let's say I wanted to sell this pair. Okay, I wanted to buy the Swiss franc and sell the US dollar. Because I'm buying the Swiss franc. Okay, so I could sell this right over here at the 13 period moving average. I could sell it at the 20, or the best price would be to sell it at the 50. Okay, because it really rises by a lot of pips only to be sold again. So whenever you trade, ask yourself, is this the best price? Am I getting the best price? And always aim high whenever you're trading. So whatever strategies you are using, your relative strength index, MACD indicators, whatever you make use of that and let that help you make as much money as you can in Forex trading. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To view more videos, you can watch more videos, currency articles on YouTube. And to book a free trading lesson with us, visit us on currency-articles.com. Stay tuned for the wrap up. We'll be wrapping up moving averages. Thanks for watching.